Good morning student, myself Melissa Ankla, and in our subject structure analysis part 1, today we solve the example of moment distribution method. Okay, now our first example, determine the end moment for beam ABC and using moment distribution method, and also draw the bending moment diagram. Okay, here beam ABC is given, AB portion is subjected to UDL and BC portion is subjected to center point load. Okay, now one by one we solve the example of this moment distribution method, and for that here I mention a steps. First we find out fixed end moment. Okay, first we find out fixed end moment, and our first fixed end moment is equal to MAB. Mention here, first we find out MAB, and this is subjected to UDL load. Our equation is equal to WL square by 12. Okay, and MBA, first of all I mention the equations. MBA is equal to WL square by 12. This I already explain you in moment table of fixed end moment. Okay, second we find out moment at BC for span BC subjected to center point load minus WL by 8. Okay, and MCB is equal to plus WL by 8 because it is equation of center point load. Okay, now one by one, what is W? W is equal to 20 into L is given 6 square by 12, and answer is equal to minus 60. Okay, second here W is equal to 20, okay, positive, then 6 square by 12. Okay, and this answer is positive, and unit of moment is equal to kilonewton into meter, and this one kilonewton into meter. Now next, W is given 120, okay, point load, distance L is given 6, divide by 8, and this answer is equal to minus 90. So mention here minus 90 kilonewton into meter, and this one W is equal to 120 into 6 divided by 8, again our answer is equal to 90 kilonewton into meter. Okay, first step we find out fixed end moment. Now second we find out distribution factor table. A and is fixed and this C and is hinge. Okay, first of all we log intermediate point B and look the far end condition. Okay, now second we find out distribution factor table, and here at B point there are from B point member BA and BC, and at C point our member CB, and from A joint our member is AB. Okay, joint member absolute stiffness sigma K, and dU is equal to K divided by sigma K. From this BA our far end is fixed, so absolute stiffness for far end fixed is equal to 4EI by L, and absolute stiffness for far end is a hinge, that is 3EI by L. Okay, now sigma K, summation of this first one is equal to 0.67 divided by EI, and second is 0.5 divide by EI, because here L is equal to, we take 6 meter. Okay, put the value L is equal to 6 meter. Now sigma K, that means summation of this two value, that is 1.17 into EI. Now DF is equal to, first value is equal to K divided by this 1.17 is equal to 0.57. okay, and second 0.5 divided by this 1.17, that is equal to 0.43. okay, now at C joint is our hinge support, so at C point our K is DF is equal to 1, and A point is our fixed, so our DF is equal to 0. okay, if our support is fixed, then distribution factor we take 1, and if our support is hinge, then distribution factor we take 1. Okay, now next we make a table. Okay, first of all at moment, this is our moment distribution table, and in moment distribution table, first of all we mention our member. At A point member is given AB, at B point our member is BA and BC, and at C point our member is CB. Remember that at C point our support is hinge support. Okay, at C point given support is hinge support, and at A point our given support is fixed support. Now one by one we mention the distribution factor. At AB is fixed 0. At B point our distribution factor is 0.57, and at C point that is 0.43, and this one is 1. Now one by one we mention our moment, fixed end moment. At fixed end moment AB is equal to minus 60. Here our moment is 60, this one is 90, and this one is 90. Okay guys, here support is given hinge support. At hinge support our moment 0, because hinge support can't resist the moment, so here I make this moment 0, so apply minus 90. Minus 90, that means here our moment will be 0. Now carry over this moment, okay, at far end, and carry over moment, this means from this intermediate point we lock it, so here we apply half moment, that is 0.45. okay, now here we find out, first we find our initial moment. Okay, this is right here. First we find initial moment. Okay, and this initial moment, look at this, 90 minus 90 is equal to 0, and minus 90 and minus 45 is equal to minus 135. Then here 60, and this one is again minus 60. Okay, now again we balance. Okay, so right here balance the moment. Second we balance this moment. Okay, minus 135 and 60, make the summation of this, and the unbalanced moment we multiply with our distribution factor. 60 unbalanced moment multiply with this 0.57, my answer is equal to 42.75. Here difference between these two unbalanced moment is negative, so that balance we take a positive, because if we take opposite side the joint will be balanced. Okay, now 60 minus 135, the answer will be multiplied with 0.43, and here we apply opposite sign, and this moment is 32.35. now again we carry over. Okay, so right here carry over moment. Now 42.75 carry on far end fix, and this moment is a 21.375, and here we can't take because far end is hinge. Okay, this end is a hinge, so we stop. Okay, now here we stop, and we find out our final moment. Final moment is equal to summation of this moment is equal to minus 60, then 21.375, and this moment first. Okay, summation we take from this initial moment. Okay, remember that this is our new moment, and we make a summation from this minus 60, 21.375, and this moment is equal to minus 38625. okay, and this one is this moment is equal to plus 102.75, and this moment is minus 102.75, and this will be 0. Okay, this is our end moment. Now draw the BM diagram. Okay, for BM diagram, first of all we find out simply supported beam moment. So mention here for our first step is a BMD, and first we find out simply supported beam. Okay, for because fixed beam moment we find out simply supported beam. Okay, and for that first moment is equal to moment MAB. M is equal to simply supported beam moment WL square by 8. W is equal to 20. Okay, then L is equal to 6 square divide by 8, and AM is equal to 90 kilonewton into meter. Now second we find out for span BC, and for span BC M is equal to WL by 4, and this W is equal to 120. Okay, L is equal to 6 divided by 4, and this moment is equal to 180. Okay, 180 kilonewton into meter. Now one by one mention the span here. A point, this one is B point, and this one is C point. Okay, now our fixed end moment, our final moment A. Here A we get positive value, that is negative value, that is 38.625. okay, and at B point we get moment 102.75, and C point our moment is 0. Now here our simply supported beam, and this subjected to UDL, so diagram is like this way. Okay, plus, and here our moment we find out 90. Okay, this one is plus, this is negative, and here we find our moment, that is 180, and this is also plus, and this middle portion is negative. Okay, this is a bending moment diagram for two span beam. Two span beam, that is our indeterminate structure. Here our example of moment distribution method is complete. Next session we solve another example. Just now we stop here. Okay.